Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will talk about a really beautiful flowering plant called Gazania. Gazanias are one of my most favorite flowers. I grow them every season. They originate from South Africa and they are related to the daisy family. See how beautiful the flowers are. They have very colorful and bright daisy-shaped flowers. They look stunning when they bloom. They almost look unreal. You will find them in many colors. You will get single and multicolored varieties, and there are also many hybrid varieties available too. The best thing about this plant is that they are extremely easy to grow. They are quite low maintenance, so you don't have to do too much to grow them. They have a compact size, so they are perfect for growing in containers. Gazanias can be annual or perennial depending on the climate. If you live in a mild hot climate, you can save Gazanias all year long. I have saved my Gazanias for many years and I have also grown them from cuttings too. I will share all that in this video, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and stay connected. The first thing I'm going to talk about is sunlight. Proper sunlight is most important for these plants. They are extremely sun-loving plants. They don't like shade and they will not grow well in shady areas. So plant them in full sun. Give them 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight during the blooming season. The flowers are light sensitive. They open in daylight and they close in the evening. Sometimes they don't open if the weather is too cloudy. So bright sunlight is also very important for them to bloom properly. But if you live in a very hot climate like me, you can give them afternoon shade in the hot summer season. You can grow them from seeds or you can get small plants like this from the nursery. I have grown them in many ways. Planting small plants is the easiest way you can grow them. They don't need a large container to grow well. Take a 6 to 8 inch pot for the best results. Make sure the pot has good drainage holes. These plants actually prefer a very well draining and sandy soil. You can even grow them in poor soil very well. So take any well draining soil for these. Add a little bit of compost and bone dust with the soil to prepare the potting media. You can also use river sand if you have clay soil. They are not very heavy feeders, so you don't have to fertilize them a lot. When they are growing, you can use any organic liquid fertilizer weekly. I apply mustard cake, and you can add a little bit of bone meal every 20 days to boost flowering. Don't fertilize them too much, they grow better with minimum care. I use very little fertilizer in these plants and you can see how well they are flowering. Gazania plants are quite drought tolerant when they are mature. They don't like too much water. Overwatering can cause fungus and root rot problems, so water them carefully and properly. Don't keep the soil wet, only water when the soil feels dry. But when the plants are very small, you should keep the soil moderately moist so they don't get stressed. One of the things you need to do regularly is deadheading. Pruning the dead flowers regularly helps your plant produce more flowers for a long period of time. Take out the entire flower stem from the base and remove them for the best results. You should also remove the dry and dead leaves to keep the plant clean. They can get some pest attack, mainly aphids, so applying an organic pesticide like neem oil will be enough. Now let's talk about how you can save them. This is the plant that I saved for almost 5 years. See how great they bloom. So after the flowering season is over, firstly remove all the dead flowers and leaves, then move them to a sheltered area. Protect them from extreme heat and heavy rainfall. In colder climates, you can put them in a greenhouse. You don't need to fertilize them all year, just keep them regularly watered and spray fungicide once in a while in the rainy season. Next year you can repot them or grow more plants from cuttings. So this is my 1-year-old plant and you can see it is still blooming. Here is the crown or base of the plant. You can see there are many branches. You can just take a branch from the crown. If you want, you can add some rooting hormone at the base of the cutting and just plant them in plain soil, sand or any loose potting media. Water it and keep it in the shade. They will develop roots in 15 days and your plant will be ready. So this is how you can grow Gazanias very easily in your garden. They just need lots of sunlight and proper watering. They are very easy to grow and they give you amazing flowers. Let me know in the comments if you like growing Gazanias. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.